because I really do not like hurting myself. And smash your head on the boom. The good news is everything's still intact and nothing has exploded. Terrifying that we've gotten this far on gumption and no know-how. Ow! I hit myself in the head again. Oh, look at that, I ripped my finger off. I ripped the ring and my finger. Oh, I got a nice cut going there. It has been 21 days since an injury and now I have to run it back to 0. All right, so let's see what happens when we try this. Probably rip my arm off and go to the hospital, but the sacrifice is what's important. Really like very much not to hurt myself today, but I don't know how much control I have over that. And hope that nothing smashes my head. Okay, let me grab gloves because I really don't want to hurt myself. So let's see what happens when we pull this out. What could go wrong? This is terrible. This is a bad idea. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go. Okay. Fire in the hole. I'm an agent of chaos.